Hey guys, today I will talk about the US30, about the Dow Jones Industrial Average. I will talk about the new longs. There is disclaimer here, don't forget to read it. So yeah guys, later today the US preliminary investor mission consumer sentiment, preliminary investor mission inflation expectations could have an impact and could move the markets, could bring more action. And let's take a look here on US30. Okay, after this impressive upwards movement, maybe a retreat, a correction was natural, temporary drop maybe. Yeah, let's wait. As I've said, maybe this could be only a temporary retreat, a temporary drop before developing a new leg higher and swing higher. Also, technically, after taking out this former low here, 38,454, after taking out this former low, we cannot exclude a potential rebound, maybe to retest all these, to retest the supply zones before going down, before developing a larger downside movement. So technically, after taking out that former low, maybe it could rebound to retest the supply zones. Yeah, so that's why maybe I'm looking for potential longs. Okay, I'm looking maybe for potential longs. The DXY, guys, yeah, the DXY rallied. That's why in the short term the US equities could drop a little. The DXY extended its growth. I talked about the DXY earlier in my market breakdown video, but if it remains to see how to react here around 106 psychological level. And maybe poor economic data, poor US economic data could force the DXY to retreat, to drop in the short term, and then the US equities could take the lead. But in the short term, as I've said, the US30 could come back down, maybe to retest the immediate supply zone. Okay, right now a sideways movement, something like an accumulation, consolidation after this new rally. But we cannot exclude the new temporary drop, sell-off towards these levels, towards here, towards the weekly S1 before jumping higher, because personally I'm using this correlation, this intermarket correlation between the DXY and the US equities. And when the DXY is strongly bullish, I don't want to be bullish on the US equities as well, but as I've said, after that impressive rally on the DXY, maybe we'll have also a retreat, and then the US 30 could develop a new leg higher, bullish momentum upwards movement. Okay, after this false breakdown here below the S1, maybe a retest before developing a new bullish momentum in the short term. But as I've said, maybe this the preliminary investor mission consumer sentiment could be decisive in the short term, and could change the sentiment. Yeah, read disclaimer here, don't forget to read it. YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Learn to trade, our website for more details. And guys, if it makes a new lower low, then probably the US30, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, activates more declines. Okay, thank you guys, bye bye.